Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm continuing with my spring decorate with me videos. I will be giving you some decorating ideas for your family room as well as the kitchen. As previous, my kind of a go-to decor for spring is lots of greenery, lots of woodsy type of decor. So I hope you enjoy this, and let's get started. I am starting in my family room at this fireplace. I'm going to give it a wipe down first, and then I'm gonna add the decor. Really thought I wanted to use this vase here with these fresh pink, light pink flowers, just to add a little bit of color to a bright color to this fireplace, but I really didn't love the way this was shaping up, so I ended up switching everything around again. I am still loving that wreath a lot. I got this just before I was switching on my Christmas for winter decor, and I thought it still looks pretty good, and I want to keep it here for my spring and Easter decor. I think this mantle decor turned out really cute. I think the eggs in the cloche just add that little bit of color that I was craving for this fireplace.
Say something like you love me and make my day like you always do.
Next, I'm going to be working on this TV unit. I do have these shelves. I am a little bit sad because this is probably the last time that I'm going to be decorating this TV unit. I just got it last year and had a chance to pretty much do a full year of decor on it, but with the current situation and the way we're going to be renovating, this unit will no longer be here. I cannot make it work, so I already have a place where it's going, so this will definitely is the last time I am decorating it.
My world is spinning round, round, around. Oh, I want you now, now, now. My world is spinning round, round, round. And I want you now, and I want you now, and I want you now.
Since I have some blue decor in my living room as well as my dining room, I try to add it here as well, and then doing that greenery and a little bit of wood decor just to tie everything together. Next is my coffee table, and again I'm using a tray to decorate it just because it's easily movable if I need to use the coffee table for anything.
Spinning round, round, around. Oh, I want you now, now, now. My world is spinning round, round, round. And I want you now, and I want you now. My world is spinning round, round, around. Oh, I want you now, now, now. My world is spinning round, round, round. And I want you now.
I love how much color these carrots add to this tray. And I just kept the little picture with greenery. I did that for my winter decor, but I'm still loving it, so I thought it should still stay on this tray. Next, I'm going to be working on my side tables. There is not a whole lot that I'm going to be doing as far as adding the decor here. And the other side table already has my tier tray on it, and I had recently just shared my tier tray decorate with me videos, which I will link at the end of this video for you to check out if you want to see how I have decorated them. But for this one, I'm just keeping it very simple because my husband typically uses this couch and this side table and doesn't want too much clutter on it. So I think this is as much as I can add to it. Before I move on to my next side table, just to share with you what it looks like, I am going to be switching out the blankets, putting a little bit of lighter ones and taking away some of the wintry ones out. I have this basket that I've been using since Christmas, and I absolutely love it. I will leave the link down below for you if you want to check it out. And then I'm going to be adding the little blanket that I shared in my haul, as well as the little DIY pillow that I DIY'd last year over on my DIY channel. So here is the other side table with my tiered tray, and you can see all the colors kind of work together, and I just love that. And then I just have a little candle here, springtime candle from last year. So here is the full room view, and like I said, I just love the way this turned out.
I swear I'll try my best to always be there, and I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, 'cause I don't know what to do if you go. I just don't know what to do if you go.
Now we are going to be moving on to my kitchen, and I just had a couple things to put away, clean it up. Then I will be wiping my cupboards and my countertops down just so it's nice, fresh, and clean before I start decorating it. At this time, I would also like to say welcome. If this is your first time stopping by, my name is Sonja, and I do lots of cleaning, decorating, and organizing videos. Here I have a huge home reno coming up where I will be redoing my kitchen and most of my main floor, and I will be sharing the whole process with you guys. So if you like what you see here and want to see more, make sure you hit that subscribe button and a notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming uploads. And those of you that are returning viewers, thank you so much for being here. Speaking of renos, there will be a video coming your way soon where I'm going to share kind of my dream board with you, what my visions are for all the rooms and all things that I'm going to be doing in my kitchen, and also the floor changes and all that stuff. So make sure, like I said, your notification bell is on so you don't miss that video when it comes up. So some of the decor that's already in my kitchen is my 2-tier tray, which I shared in my tier tray decorating video, but I wanted to add some new kitchen cloths, and I picked these up at HomeSense. So I wanted to add those just to brighten up the space, and they are actually more of an Easter theme, but have that spring flair in them as well. And so I always like to add this one since Christmas. I have been enjoying adding this just a nice decorative cloth onto my mixer. And in this corner cabinet, I am adding just a little spring sign just to continue with that blue, and then I also added another wooden bunny in there. And then also I'm going to be decorating just the corner of my breakfast bar with some bunnies and some eggs. And that's pretty much all I'm doing in the kitchen this time. Next, I'm going to be working on my sideboard and then my table as well. As you can see up here on the wall, I have some paint samples, just sheets stuck onto the wall to see which white paint color I should choose for my kitchen. So I need them to kind of be there, so I look at them continuously and then decide which one I like the best. I did find a spot for this big vase that I was going to use on my mantle. I am going to be using it right here, and I think it just looks really cute. It brings in the brightness of those flowers in between the two rooms. And now it's time for my kitchen table, and I did something completely different from what I did previous times where I had a decorated tray. I am going to put my dough bowl here, and then I'm just going to add a vase with some some fake greenery for that fresh look. So I was hoping to find my blue glass bowl vase, but I couldn't find it. So at this time, you will see me using this a little milk jug that I just DIY'd over on my DIY channel. But at the end, I will be sharing the look with the little blue. It's not a vase, it's actually a wine bottle that I am using as a vase because I love the blue tinged on it, and I think it ties all the blue that I have going through my house. Well, I hope you had enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed, and I will see you all in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.